The ocean, a world of wonders, hides countless stories of survival, cooperation, and even love. Among the most fascinating is the tale of a vibrant clownfish and its unlikely partner, the seemingly dangerous sea anemone. But the clownfish has a remarkable adaptation. It's immune to the anemone's sting. Scientists believe they develop this immunity by gradually acclimating to the anemone's venom. The clownfish and anemone, a testament to the power of cooperation, a symbol of love in the most unexpected of places. Their story inspires us to look closer, to appreciate the beauty and complexity of the natural world, and to understand the importance of protecting these delicate ecosystems.